Good morning. It's early. I maybe slept for 4 hours. I was awake last night, super late, playing with a band, and now I'm awake this morning at like 7 a.m. to go fly fishing. And you know what? I couldn't be more happy about it. I'm gonna need some coffee, but we're awake. We're up. We're getting it. I slept for 4 hours. I'm driving for 2. I better catch some fish is all I'm saying, because I am sleepy. So wish me luck. First time back on the water in a while, and first time getting to film for you guys in a while. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So all right, I'll see you guys on the river. Arrived at the river. The hype is so real, dude. Oh my gosh. Let me put this around for you. Talk about a place to run a streamer through. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I have not done this in a long time. It has been it's been probably a year since I've gotten to properly fish. So it's been a long time coming, but I'm really looking forward to giving this a shot. We'll see if we can make something happen. The water's looking good. There's fish moving. So we'll see if we can do something. Okay, we're good. I still have a fly tied on. I was like, I don't know if I do or not. I do. You can see it bumping around the bottom. Ding, 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 ding. Like a pinball machine. Let me make sure, actually. Before I sit here and fish for like 20 minutes without a fly on. That would be some I would do. Nope, we got a fly. And you know what? Matter of fact, I'll lower this down a little bit. Because it's deep here. But it's not that deep, so we're just gonna. Ooh, wait! I think I just saw a rise. I don't want to get too excited, but they might be eating topwater. Oh, I think it might be hooked up on a rock. Gosh, I hope not. Let's go. I just really like that. It's always hard to tell if it was a bite and I'm just bad at fishing, or if it's a rock and I'm about to lose my fly, you know? These are truly the great questions, man. Yikes. Presentation non-existent. This man may have the worst presentation of all time. I feel like there should have been fish in there, right? Well, that spot was a bust. But you know what? That's okay. We got all day. And we got more spots to hit. So next comes, I'll probably head up there. Alright, well, this is kind of where all the horror movies start at. But I'm going to go fish a section of the trail that I haven't fished before. But the problem is the road is closed. So I'm going to have to kind of like go down and around to get to that part of the river. But I think we can make it happen. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes, dude, yes. Good trout, good trout. Let's go. On the dry fly. On the dry fly, let's go. Yes. Oh, he saw the net, he got spooked. Holy cow, oh my gosh. No, 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 don't go downstream, don't go downstream. Relax. I just want to get a picture of you. I just want to get a picture of you. Relax. Pretty good fish, dude. All right. There you go. You ready? Go off strong. Boom. There he goes. Wow. Dude. I'm back, baby. I'm back. Okay. I love fly fishing. This is the best sport ever. Forget everything I said to talk shit about fly fishing. This is the greatest sport of all time. Hey guys, if you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate you sticking around. And thank you for coming and watching my channel again. It's been 10 months since my last video. And honestly, that's just been because there's been a lot of big stuff happening in my life. Not bad stuff necessarily, but just stuff, right? And things that take time and things that take money, and I just hadn't been able to get out and really go film and fly fish in a while. So if you're here, I really appreciate you. I appreciate you coming back and watching my videos after this amount of time. And that's pretty much it. I'm really happy to be back to doing this, and I'm happy you guys stuck around and watched this for me. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, there'll be more soon. But with that being said, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.